Hello and welcome to your Pretty Pictures and Solar System Weather segment from September's All Space Considered. This first image here is the spinning pulsar of the Crab Nebula, which combines the X-ray from Chandra, visible light from Hubble, and the infrared from Spitzer. In this beautiful image, the center here is a neutron star that's spinning at 30 kilometers a second. The second image is one of the latest from JWST. This is Jupiter, which shows the Great Red Spot. And you can see Jupiter's dust ring and auroras at the poles and some of Jupiter's moons. And this image here is another gorgeous image that's a recent one from JWST. And these stars here are part of the Tarantula Nebula. And here we have an older image. This one was taken by the Cassini spacecraft, which is orbiting planet Saturn. And this one's from 2010. This is the Herschel crater, which is on one of Saturn's moons, Mimas. And the crater itself is 130 kilometers in diameter. And the moon Mimas is a small moon, and it is 400 kilometers in diameter. Here we have the beautiful Pleiades. This was taken by astrophotographer Euron Strawn. These next images are some of my favorite. This is by Frankie Lucena from August 21st, 2022. And these are actually sprites, which you can capture above a thunderstorm. This one was actually in Puerto Rico. And here are some other images of the sprites you can see there. They are just so beautiful. And then we have this video here that Frankie took. He says that he caught at least a half dozen red sprites leaping up from a powerful thunderstorm. And he calls these dancing sprites. And he said that's when a sprite contains multiple sprites that fire up in a sequence. So he combined these images into a stacked video. And on to some solar system weather. This one is really cool. This is from August 6th. This is actually a comet that is headed into the sun. And you can see on the right side of this image here, it zoomed in. Here we have a dark plasma explosion on the sun. This is from August 14th, when the sun hurled a plume of cool dark plasma into space. And this was around sunspot AR 3076, recorded by NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory. They say this plume was traveling faster than 600 kilometers per second. This is our sun from August 17th, when it produced another plume of cool dark plasma. This is actually from sunspot AR 3078. And this is actually the third day in a row this sunspot was producing flares. And then this coronal mass ejection here is also from the 17th, and that is from sunspot AR 3078 as well. Which produced a pair of solar flares, and the double blast created this coronal mass ejection, which hurled into space. And this is the sun from August 29th. This is a 20,000 kilometer high canyon of fire that opened on the sun from sunspot AR 3089, which became unstable and erupted. This is the canyon of fire that has walls that are 20,000 kilometers high and 5 times as long. They say that's enough to swallow Earth with ease. And what's really cool is museum guide David Pinsky here at Griffith Observatory caught an image of the sun with his Lunt 50 solar telescope and Canon 80D on the same day. And here we have a very large coronal mass ejection from August 30th. This is from the far side of the sun. What's interesting about this one is that it is going to impact planet Venus on September 1st. So here we have a map of the coronal mass ejection, and you can see Venus is the green dot in there. And there it goes, the coronal mass ejection, just headed right for that planet. And finally, to end the solar system weather segment, we have some beautiful images of aurora from this past month in our solar activity. This one was taken by Mary Beth on August 18 over, this is Mackinac City, Michigan. Here we have another gorgeous image of some aurora. You can see the reflected light on the water there, as well as some stars up above. This was taken by Oliver Schwen on August 27th. Another incredible image by Oliver Schwen. This was from September 6th, and this one is just beautiful. And then finally, we have this video from Göran Strand, who said he had some amazing northern lights in Sweden. This is from September 4th. In this video, I did speed up just a little. And that is all for your pretty pictures and solar system weather.